Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your character on Talkie Soulful AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your character on Talkie Soulful, firstly go ahead and launch open your Talkie Soulful AI application. The homepage of Talkie Soulful application will appear on the screen. Click on Me button at the bottom right corner of the page. Tap on your connector. On the next page, click on the name at the bottom left side and from the pop-up, click on Edit. Select your visibility of character, that is public, and from the displayed option, click on Unlisted, then tap on Submit. This is how you can delete your character on Talkie Soulful AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.